Imagine you're midway through some work. You're not ready to commit it yet and suddenly need to work on something else. In this case, you can use git stash to save your work, complete that work, and then come back to it later. Okay? This is our repository's history up to now, and catalog.txt, this is our whole file. Now imagine you're working on a new feature, so you add this to the whole file. Echo new change to hello.txt. Now if I check the status, so git status, the file is modified. But before you complete the new feature, your boss asks you to implement another feature or fix a bug that is more important than the feature you're currently working on. So for that, you usually create a new branch to separate your works. But that may cause you to lose your work because it's not committed yet. So because Git is awesome, you can stash your work. Look, git stash push -m new change. Because this is for the new change. And its most important options are -m for the message, -a to include also ignored files, and -u to include untracked files. And of course, -p to patch. So you can choose what part of changes you want to stash. So let's try it. As you see, it's exactly like git add -p. So if I type the question mark, I can see what these other letters mean. See, they literally replace the word stage with a stash. If you used git add -p before, you know what I mean. And of course, to stash this line, I use y. Okay, now if I check the status again, so git status, as you see, catalog.txt, it's not modified anymore. Now you can easily create another branch to do what your boss asked. Okay, to see all the stashes, type git stash list. Okay, we have this stash on this branch, and with the message new change. Okay, q to quit, and to apply a stash, simply type git stash apply, then the index of the stash you want to apply, like 0. But before that, it's good to check the stash before applying it. So is there any way to check the stash? Of course there is. Just type git stash show and then the index of your stash. Or if you want to see the actual changes, you can add the patch option after the show command. Okay, now git stash apply 0 to apply the stash. And a good thing to know is that you can apply stashes on any branch, no matter which branch you created the stash on. And you can even create a new branch from a stash. Look, git stash branch and no branch 0. See, we're on the no branch now. So let's get back to our previous branch. So git switch dash, then we can remove the stash. Look, git stash drop 0 and git stash list. Okay, it's gone. You can also use git stash clear to remove all the stashes. Another thing that I didn't mention before is that you can pop a stash if you apply the stash and remove it. So it can be dangerous, but let's try it. So git dash no pager stash list. Okay, this is the stash we have. So to pop it, type git stash pop 0. And now git dash no pager stash list. As you see, it's gone. But git status, our file is modified, so it's applied. This is like we've combined the commands git slash apply 0 and git slash drop 0. I would say that it can be dangerous, but it's good to know it. And remember, as long as you have the hash of the stash, you can access it. Look, we dropped the stash, so it's no longer on the stash list. But this is the stash hash. And if I check the objects directory in the .git directory, so tree.git objects, wow, here it is. So as long as you have this hash of the stash, you can still use it. But again, why do we risk our work when we can simply apply it, then drop it if we want? Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.